Welcome back to another episode of Henry TV. I am your host, 22 Plinkster, and it is opening morning in Tennessee. I guess it's right around about 4:50 a.m. and I'm about to pick up my father-in-law. We're going to head to a farm to do some turkey hunting. Henry recently introduced their single-shot shotguns, a couple of months ago, and I'm going to be using a 410 shotgun for turkey hunting. I know most people use a 20 and 12 gauge, but this year Federal actually came out with a designated turkey load called the TSS. And you're kind of, at first I was kind of wondering how well it would pattern, how many shots downrange it would actually be effective to turkey hunt. But I actually patterned that shotgun, the Henry single shot with the full choke, and I got 66 in the neck and head at 35 yards. So that's plenty to kill a wild turkey. Now, I'm going to limit myself to about 40 yard shot, and hopefully I'll get a bird come up, within probably about 20, 25 yards. We'll just have to wait and see. But I'm going to throw on my camo, pick up my father-in-law, and we're going to head to the woods. He's scared. Another tom. There's 3 toms right here. Surely a bird's not gonna cross his fence. Well, dude. Yeah, there he is. So there's 10 toms. Can you imagine this place in about 2 weeks? Watch every bird in the county come across this fence right in our laps. And we're right here in the open. It's a Jake.
I've seen birds. The 2 that are...
Oh, he just popped him hard.
They're not struck.
Mm-mm. Aggressive. Look at him just like sheltering him from the hens.
They look very good.
Still coming?
He's still there.
I know.
He's down right at the fence. How far is it?
That's 70 yards.
Too far.
He's going across. There he is. Is he?
You can get shot at this one. See him?
Yeah.
He's in the windows.
It's not for me.
Get that his head off.
Is he coming up here? What's he doing? I gotta move his camera. Coming to me? Straight to me?
In the boat.
Is he looking this way?
Yep.
Tell me when he's not looking. I gotta move his camera.
Look. That's all this dude's looking. You better hurry.
Move the camera to the left. Is he looking?
Yep.
I need to move the camera though.
He's too close. He's too close to me. Maybe that's yours.
How close is he? Is he coming to my left? Got him. That's a long shot. He was right here. So, sorry about the bad camera work. Couldn't get the shot on film. He snuck up to my left. If you can see, he was standing right here. He was about 30 yards. Right there was the, right there's where we were sitting right there with that tree. That's where I killed a bird last year. But yeah, those TSS loads did him in, buddy. 410, my first bird with the 410. So my first tom with a 410. We watched these birds and watched these birds. I think there was a total of 10 gobblers out in this field. I don't know if that was, this was the bird that we heard right at daylight this morning or not, but this is an old mature tom. This bird's probably a 4-year-old. Has about 1.25 inch spurs, and took it with my Henry 410 with those Federal TSS loads. It did a number. That bird was probably about 30 to 35 yards, and got him. I'm sorry about the camera work. The bird was on us. There was that big tree right there in front of me. There was no way that I could turn the camera because he actually knew something was up and he was trying to hightail it out of here when I got a shot at it. But first Tennessee bird, killed me an Osceola about 3 weeks ago. Got me a good eastern. Now I got 3 more left here on my tag here in Tennessee, and then I'm going to Missouri, then going to Wyoming. So hopefully this year I'll be killing me a bunch of birds. Thanks for watching, guys. We at Henry want to thank you for watching another episode of Henry TV. If you want to support the channel, make sure you click this button right here and subscribe. If you want to know more about our firearms or products, make sure you click this button right here. Again, thanks for watching.